Good morning. Good morning, YouTube family. Welcome back to the channel. Yes, on this channel we are here to learn. If it's the first time, let's subscribe and reach 1,000 subscribers. This is the phone number. Let's join the WhatsApp group. Let's create a big community for the people who have each other. 06777298841 is the phone number. In case you want to join the WhatsApp group, this is the phone number, guys. So we're going to do analysis on, we're going to first learn how to create the hot code, which is working at the moment, and it should help us to win today. Yes, the hot code, remember yesterday we did the win, and really everyone won yesterday. Yesterday these are the numbers, but this one was in our calculation way. We were, this was a straight number I gave on here on WhatsApp, remember, on YouTube. 4049, we did get this one together and as a straight pay. If you complain that you didn't win, which means you don't watch the video till the end. Let's go. The code is like this. Let's start. Where can we start? This is a very important to know because it will bring fortune. So watch the video till the end. Let's select some random draw. Let's start, for example, here. You will take this number and multiply them together. When you multiply 18 times 1 is still 18. And since 18 is there, we can multiply by 2. So that because 18 is started by 1, you can play that 18. You can play the next door, and also you can play the times 2, which is 36. Because 18 is started by 1, and 18 equal 14 and 35. Let's go. Then the next step, you will take 18 multiply by the next date, right? Then you will get, also you can multiply by this date as well. So only lunchtime bonus is working there. You multiply each other and you multiply for both dates. So let's see the answer, guys. 18 multiplied by 14. What is the answer? The date was 14 and the other date was 13. 252 and 234. Let's go. Let's do this. 234 and 252. As I always tell you, when you get the number which is 2, the twin number in the code, the first thing you take that number as it is. The second thing you add those number is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. The second thing you play them if as a twin number 22. And you twin your numbers, you spin your number, then with 20 and 40. So that will be your first number to pair in the two numbers. Alright, then you will go. Then you take this number, you can see this is 25 and 25. Then you write 25. Alright, then 25 plus 2 is 27. Right? So those are the numbers from this code, which was for the next date multiplication. So let's see, we have a 2 as it is and 20. Then we have a 22 as a twin number. You can see it's brought this number. Then we have a 4 left. The remaining number is a 4 or 40. 4 or 40. When you add all the numbers together is 9. 9 is sitting there as 6. 9 is always a 3. So 9, let's say you manage to get that 906, right? You can see this number itself, it's money, right? So now here when you add is 27. When you take this number at the back, which is a 52, and they say 25 plus 2 is still 27. So we play that 27 as a hot number at 29. Remember I told you guys every time you get 27 as a hot number, play also together with 29. And yes, the way you play, you must always remember to play this number as two numbers most of the time, then the singles and the three numbers addition in the four numbers. Don't play like you are desperate. Start small so that you don't have to buy a voucher every day. Thank you. Because at the end of the month you start crying. So 27 and the 25 was very hot. You still gonna keep this number with you because the 2, the 20 and 22 dropped. The only number which didn't drop was the 4. Then the 40 is sitting there. 40 called 44. That's why they came together. And then the missing number is 41. Let's go. Alright. So the other thing, we had a code 3 4. 3 4 is 2 3 4. 2 3 4. You can see that all of them they are here as well. Then 23 plus 4 is 27. 34 plus 2 is 36. That's how 39 came here. 27 came as 29 is sitting there. The only number I didn't get was 15. 15 and 21. Even if 44 didn't get, in case you don't know how that 22 is always a 44, or in case you don't know that 40 call 44. Let's go. Let's go to the next one. You take this number multiply by together straight away. 70, 27 multiply. You can see our 27, which was very hot, came following. So it's good because you must always keep the number which was behind. 27 was hot and 25. 27 and 25 was very hot. Let's go. Meaning that 27 came, 25 you keep it. Let's go. So now we have 27 multiplied by 2, which is 54. Maybe the pencil look like a chart itself. Let's change the color. We have 54. Then this 54 is 4 plus some, that is 9. Then the 54 again is 45. We have 9 and 45. 54 minus is 4 minus 5 is 1. 1. Then remember to spin your number. 9 is 6, 1 is 10. Right? That was your first code. Look at this one. We have 54. 4, when you add them together, is 6 or 9. When you do minus, is 1 or 10. Right? 6 is sitting there as well. The only number we don't have was 45. So meaning 25 and 45 and 5 are missing. Right? You keep them. The problem, they are all family of 5. We have a 5, a 25, and 45. Then the number which is not there is 35, but and 15 is out already. So yeah, that's how it is. Then you take this lunch, only lunchtime code. You might try. I forgot to do here, guys. I really forgot. And then you take this lunchtime code, you multiply by this one and the next date. When you take this one, multiply is 30. 30 or 3, you play that one as it is. Then you multiply by 16 because the 16 is on the next date, which you are calculating numbers for, is 32. Then you play 23 or 32. Simple as that. These were the numbers. 32 is sitting there. Remember, I have all these numbers calculated. 3 or 9 is sitting there as well, right? So 32, 3 number 4, 5, 4 on orange, 4 on T. So this is it. Then we forgot to do here to see 21 and the 44, 21 and the 44, 21 and the 44 is 9, is 29 and the 24, 9, 2, 4, 9, 2, 4. You see that? 9, 2, 4, we have a 9, we have a 2, we have a 4, but most importantly, we have a 29 and a 24, right? Then we have a 29, we have a 49, we have a 42, we have a 24, right? So here we are missing the number. In between we have a 34, and in between here we have a 39. This will be very important number to play. Since we had a 29 played here, and 27 was the number to follow, right? And then we have 27, 29 played, remember 27 will follow, or 20, if 27 played, 29 will follow. Now we have a 29 without it, we're gonna play 24, 42, 39 or 36, 34 and 49. So that's how this number showed up here, right? Then the 29 is sitting there as 26. In case you remember to spin your numbers. Do you see it? 24 is always a 28 is sitting there. Only if you know this secret. So to subscribe on this channel will help you to know the secrets behind the lotto numbers. Then you take that 21 and multiply by 14 and 15. 21 multiplied by 14, you can see it's still 29. So 29 is sitting there in the 49. 29 and the 49, right? The missing number is 24 or 42. Ne? 29 plate, then we have a 49, 24, 40. The same way we kept the 27 and the 25. They come after. So on each calculation, you keep some numbers with you. So we have a 29 once again, which called 27. Here is 27 because we kept the 27 before. A 29 what came as a 26, which is also good. Then 36 came, which was also good. Then you remember the 294, 29, 49 or 24. 29, 49 or 24. Then the meeting number will be 24, 49, right? And our 25. Remember. So now we remain with 25 because the 27 already dropped. So where is 29? 24, and we have also 45 missing. Things like that, guys. Let's go. You keep the number of previous days calculation which were only clear. Then let's go. Then 21 when you multiply by 15, I don't know the answer because you multiply on each the day that the bonus came and the next day on which number you will be playing for. It's 315. Alright, this is very beautiful because the 315 is 31 plus this one, which is 36. 315 is still 31 or 13. Then we have 15, which already dropped, and then we have 35. The very clear number is 31, 15, and 35. Remember, now 35 is a problem, and 35 is a problem. Let's go. So here we already done. That's what we got where 35 came from. It came from this previous draw 35 because the 15 already dropped. Then we have a 31. 31 came as 13 here, which was good. So we remain with 35. So that's where 35 also can come from. Let's go. And then we have 19 times 6. 19 times 6 equal to 114. 114. This is 1 in it. 114 is 1114. That is very necessary. When you have a twin number, you add them together with 2 or 20. So since 2 was already played, you can only focus on the 20. Then we have a 4. So since we have 11 and 14 which played, 11 and 14 played, and we have also 11, we have 11 and 14, 11 and 14. The only number that is not there is 41, but 41 is sitting there. Yeah, 41 is played. So this is called look very done. Eh? Clear number is 1. Sorry, 1 is there twice. The only number that will remain is 1. Because we have 1 and 4, 4 played as 40 here. Right? Okay, let's go. Then you take this 19 on the lunchtime number. You multiply by this and that. So we are having 19 multiplied by which date was it? 16, which is 304. 304 is very clear. We have 3 and 4, 30 and 40. So on this code, the 3 is here, 40 is here. Where is the 4? Where is the 30? On this code, we have 1 remaining, 4 at least played, 30 played. But where is the 30 and 4? Where is the 1? On this code, we remain with 1 on this code. 30, 40 numerical order supposed to give us 20. Right? In numerical order, 20 is missing because 30, 40 is there. 30, 40, right? Numerical order 20. Now they brought 3, 40, which was very clear. Then 34 was already played here. That is very good. So we remain with this one. Then you take 19 times 17, which is 323. 323 is 23, 32, 33, and 3. Every time you see a twin number, you add them together is 3 or 30. So this 30 is supposed to play yesterday, but they brought 3. Right? So we have 23, 33, then 30. Where is 30? Thank you so much, and thank you. Those are the numbers. So we have 30, the missing number of 1 on our code, the 32 played, 23 played, 33 played, and the other number between 300 and 4, 34 played. 34 can give us 17 as a missing number. Right? So we have 1 is 17 and 30. 1 is 17 and 30. Let's go. We already kept our numbers, so when you do minus, I'll get 11. 11, played, you can focus on the 12. When you add them together, we have 85. So it's 8 and 5 most, but mostly they don't add the number when they are higher than the 49. But let's go with the code. We're going to multiply this. 48 and 37. 1000. We have 1700. and 76, which is 16, 17. I remember playing 16, 17. We have 1776, ne? Is it like this, ne? But 319 equals 16. 3 came, 19 came. They must go as a pattern, ne? The way 63, 90, they go as a pattern. So we have a 17 and we have a 217 there. So this is the issue. We have a 17, which is 17, 7, 17, 16. Then 17 is there twice. 7 is there twice is 14, right? Then 17 is there twice is 34. That is your number. 1, 7, 17, 16, 14, 34. I repeat again. 1, 7, 17, 16, 14, 34. Remember to spin your numbers. Let's go. Then you take 48 and 17. We have 48 and 17. We have 81, 6. 81, 6 is 16 and 18. We have a skip in between, which is 17. Then we have 17 and 34 as a banker. Let's go. So we're having 16, 18. Then we have also 24 because 16 plus 8 or 18 plus 6 is 24. Write these numbers down. We're moving forward. So we have 31, 17, 34. Right? Then, where is it? From the previous code of this row. Remember, we keep one hot code in there. Let's go. 17 equal 24. Remember? Then 48 times 18 is 8. Remember to play the small number because we have 8, 1, and 6. We have 7 and 6 and 1. Right? So these are the small number. So 6, it's okay. 1, 8, and 7. 7 is missing too much. So we have 1, 7, 8 as a small number there. 1, 7, 8. I'm going to write it like this. 1, 7, 8 as a small number. Then we have 864 as a code. 864, which is 46, 48. Where is 47? Which is a skip between here. Then we have a 468. Every time you see 4, there is a 2 missing. Then the 2 go with 38. So where is them? So those are the numbers from this code. We have a 46, 48, 47. Every time you see 8 hot, 2 or 4 can come. If 4 already dropped or 2, you can focus on 8. Thank you. This is the numbers of coming from this strategy because from this code, we get this strategy, this code. You saw which number is what and you know how to choose. I already teach you how to choose. So there is another code which is bringing number. Let's go and do only 2 rows. Right? I'm gonna go check first. I'm gonna go bring the code to you. Yesterday we were on Wednesday. Yesterday we were on Wednesday. You will go last week Wednesday. Monday. Where is Wednesday? Wednesday is here Because I noticed that people did ask how did I get the number, the code. I'm gonna repeat it once again. We have here the code Wednesday, ne? Then Wednesday, when you add all these numbers together, that's where I got the code, because you asked this question. Right, so we have 135 main number plus the bonus ball 47. It's gonna give us 12 here, 78. It's 182. The answer is 182. Then here the code of last week Wednesday. 28 plus 8 is 216. The code is 216. Right? So I have 182 and 216. 182, 216. Let me write correctly. You add this number together. This is how you do it. You add all these numbers together. Ne? After adding together, then you break your code. You're gonna start from the last number. So the last number gonna give us 28 plus 1, which is 29 or 26. Then 16 plus 1. Oh, remember to do minus. We have 27. 16 plus or minus 2. It's 14 and 18. Alright. Then we have a 39, 38. Then this is 38, 39, 38, 39. I did teach you a numerical order. If you are a new subscriber, this is what you do. 38, 39. They are the numbers in numerical order. Since 39 was a nearby, we focus on the number which is behind it, which is 40. Then the front number is 37. So every code which have the numerical order or the skip, this is what you do. So that's how 37 and 40 came. Here 40, here 37. Then 26, 29, 26 sitting there. Then 14, 16 minus 2 is 14. 14 is sitting there, right? So this code they will play it on tea time. Sometimes they're gonna play it on lunch time, right? So the other number which was there was 21 or 12. 12 or 21. Because here there is a 12, here there is 21. That is a number, but it's already played, right? Yeah, that is also another code. Another what? Another code. So let's go and check for Thursday. Today we are Thursday. Thursday last week we are having 207 110. What am I doing? We have a 207 plus 35 is 242. Let's go. We have a 242 and we have what else? We have Wednesday again 153. 153. 242. 242. 153. Add them to get 395. So we have 35 and 39. It's okay because 37 also can be followed by 39. And 39 was our first number yesterday. Then we have 24 and 42. So the twin number 2 is there, 2 or 20, right? 2 called 38. So let's go. We have 15. Then you focus on the last number. We have 42 plus or minus. 40 is there. We have 46. 44, sorry. 42 plus 2 or minus 2, 40, 44. 40, 44, call 41. Let's go. 53 plus or minus 35 plus or minus is 34 or 36, right? So this is the code using the last because yesterday they used all the number on tea time, they can still use all the numbers on tea time as well. Thank you so much. I will see you once again, right? So the number which I see here is 39 minus 3 and 2442. Thank you. Bye.